Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? And that's what was in there on the left. You can see all the drywall on it, and that's what we put on the right. Probably about a good another inch, and we did both sides. I don't know where the other screw went. This is not from there, that's from this. Wrong threads. Put a stick at angle up there. Move the photo eye down. Alright, that was way too high. And did both sides. Got the nice new long lag bolts there and there. This one, for whatever reason, was a real pain in the keister, man. I just couldn't find the joist, but I found it. It was probably in there just half rear-ended before I got here, and it finally just pulled out. See that all the time. This is another mistake we see all the time. This opener is mounted all the way at the top of the top section. That's a big no-no. Even if it is a sandwich section, big no-no. Don't do that. Old Sears opener from, what does that say, 2002? And they got this thing mounted like that. I think that's it. Oil, lube, and then we added about a turn, and then I fixed this. This is all wasted. There's the other half of it. This little bottom seal. Stuff like that. I mean, this is just stuff we see every day on service calls. I mean, 9 out of 10 times when we get to a service call, we fix a few other items, or at least one other item, before we actually fix what the homeowner called us about, because unfortunately in this trade there are no well, I think there is a couple schools, but there's no certificates, which I think there should be. I think that would eliminate a lot of the hacks, a lot of the scammers. It would eliminate a lot of issues in the garage door industry, but it is what it is. They'll impose certain other stupid things and laws that have nothing to do with us, but whatever. I'm just pinching these out because this is a habit we get on. We just bend out those because it munches into that bottom nylon wheel. But that would eliminate a lot of these hacks, these guys that are riding around, no insurance, you know, just scamming people, overcharging people. They have no idea what they're doing. They're putting wrong springs on doors. They're doing just textbook hack work. I mean, I guess one positive note from that is that we're never going to be not working because these people that are just keep doing this hack work just make work for us. Obviously, that's a linear keypad, the neighbor next door. Where do you think this neighbor got our name from? Okay, got our name from here because we do good work. And when you do good work, you get recommended through your reputation. And that's how I've always been doing it. That's how I'll always continue to do it. I'll always continue to try and provide a better standard than everyone else, because that's what I'm called to do. My boss is the Lord, and his standard is perfect. I can't meet that standard, but I will work as I am working for him, to please him. So whatever I do, I give glory to the Lord, and I do that by doing awesome work for people, and it's paid off. So phone's busy, we're slammed right now. We're probably, I don't know, we're very busy at the moment. But anyways, this is part 2. Let me hit the buzzer and see if I didn't even run it with the opener yet. Opener, the trolley's in the down position. I think it's going to be really close. Another thing, which is not too huge, is these bottom fixtures are up. They should be down lower to the bottom of the section. You can see right there, these should be all the way down there. And if you undo them, you've got to do it perfectly so that the cables match, so that if you don't, then you're going to have to reset the cables. I'm leaving it that's not rubbing on the weather strip on the outside. If it was, I would drop them down. So when you drop these bottom fixtures down more, the panel turns quicker. We don't have that problem here, so I'm going to leave it. And boom, it seals great. So that's another thing. They had that thing mounted up probably like another inch, and you could see what was happening. It was starting to crack, so I replaced that. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching, guys. Part 2 of this service call. Probably throw some more oil and lube on that spring, and then that'll be it. So thanks for watching our part 2 of this video. Fixing the wimpy screws in the drywall, fixing the cheesy genie opener mount at the top, garage door video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.